to publicly takiwi mano eniga ekta bishi dangor organization bra inna kora do taki kiman effect kuri thakibo mentally hulibi kiman effect kuri thakibo telaga family te hulibi kiman effect kuri thakibo mane individually eniga contact kuri kina solve kuri dile bishi bal thagisne gi koina ami etu bhabna thagise. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apne sabi bhale sola to aji ekta video ekta topic laga opor de banai ase. Apni answer pra jani thakibo itir pra do lota ho kambra ekta roving naga YouTuber content creator ke notice dia laga opor de to aji laga video to moi laga point of view critical analysis laga video ekta hobo to apni an etu video to bal pra last talk side bi aro skip na kori kina side bi ko na janai di ase. First of all etu video to ami kon kibi sentiments hurt kuro ko ina the video banai la no hoy kon kibi doshmon kuro ko ina video banala no hoy aro itu video to mulaga personal point of view ase itu karne itu video to ulta side te negative side te alag side te luine dibide ko ina ami laga earnest request ekta janai di ase to ami khan sob pra jani ase itia to itu ki laga notice thagishi aro ki laga video laga opor de thagishi ko ina roving naga koigina tai ekta YouTuber ase tai ekta video vlog ekta banai gina YouTube te upload korise tai wedding de jalaga bi thagise tula opor de tai tukhu imong laga carnival te wi jalaga etu footage kan olop thagise to itu video laga opor de lotha ho kambra ekta notice dise etu video to take down kori dibi koigina by 15th of November koigina nya kuise to itu video laga title to what happened at Tukhu Imong ko kina inga thagise. As a responsible content creator moi laga analysis ekta aji ani ase to the roving naga koina ekta YouTuber content creator ase manu bishi prado jani nai thago pare aro manu kumar prado na jani nai thago pare to tai to bishi bak tai laga video to tai laga content to jungle khan de jagina inga video khan banai thage. So this time tai laga sati khan takan miligina takan wedding jaise ekta video banaise to itu wedding laga compilation korigina tai Tukhu Imong laga carnival de wi jaise to tai enga korigina tai ekta video banaise to what happened at Tukhu Imong koigina tai ekta video title daligina video upload korise to itu video la content te saise first to last saise ami manu super enjoy kuri ase te han bi enjoy kuri ase the roving naga te ala friends kan bi imam balbar enjoy kuri ase ami bi video to bar sai thagise tare ki roving naga to ki goldi kam kurishna ki kurishna tela mistake ki thagishna koina moi I was trying to find out moi bar sai je dorne to moi wonder kuri thagise lota ho kan to ekta very respected organization very reputed organization lota huo wi chakasang huo wi sumi huo wi ekta very respected parent body ekta ase. As a content creator no one is perfect. I am also not perfect. No one is perfect. Manula golti bi hojawo pare kuma parte golti hushe pare unintentionally hushe pare unknowingly hushe pare to moi laga point of view de kitchen bitor bra solve kuri dile bishi bal thagis negi roving naga ekta goldi kam kurina thakisi kole to roving naga ke personally approach kurina media de like for example YouTube te comment holibi noholibi Instagram te reach out holibi Facebook te message kuri disi kolibi apni etu video to thik nai apni take down kuri dibi mane individually enika contact kuri kina solve kuri dile bishi bal thagis negi koina ami etu bhabna thagise. Point number 2 the roving nagabi taibi ite to ekta public figure ase manu pra na janabi nohoy manu ite to taibi more than 1 lakh subscriber ase manu bishi pra takibi jane taibi talaga status ekta thagi jay to publicly takibi manu eniga ekta bishi dangor organization bra inna kora do taki kiman effect kuri thagibo mentally hulibi kiman effect kuri thagibo telaga family te hulibi kiman effect kuri thagibo eniga itu khan bi babi disi kole to bishi bal thagis negi koina ame itu bi babna kuri thagise aro thirdly itu video to first to ending itu video to completely take down kuri dibi ko to itu bi ekta site te saise kole to thik nai negi koina babbe for example video to kuma jaga de golti huise pare koile to kuma jaga le golti ase kole to etu parte athai dibi kushi kole to content creator khan to jaigena laptop pra device pra kuru pare ase utu part te delete kuri dibi de itu part te delete kuri dibi de kuise gole to content creator khan to respect kuri na do delete kuri dibo ami bi I have faced moi to for example utu part te please pra utu part te lop goldi usi delete kuri dibi de kuise gole moi bi delete kuri de interview khan lo time te na utu part te lop kiwa usi to delete kuri dibi de kule to delete kuri de ami khan even after upload kura bishi di ami khan to delete kuro pare to content creator ase tai iman dukpra tai hours spend korina vlog ekta banaishi video ekta banaishi edit kurishi to pura video delete kuri diwi koile to ekta content creator kinga feel guru manu laga effort to respect nokora nishina manu la effort ke dimin kora nishina ekta ho jay to itu khan bi alop babi disu gole bishi bhalo honegi koina ami laga point of view ase fourthly ekta responsible content creator hoigina taka to kon holibi utu parte video khichule allowed nai de itu parte picture khichule allowed nai de just for example Maryland de no videography allowed but something like that vlog banaule allowed nai prohibited taking video is prohibited koina ekta notice to tahan bi de advance pra digna thagi jay eniga site te hole responsible content creator khan ketewi na banau de kuma to khan banai takina upload kuri thakbo pare holibi ekta responsible content creator se kole kon bi na banau holibi ami khan jani pa laga hisabte itu laga event te itu laga day de tade koi notice nai manu khan photo bi khichi ase manu khan video bi kuri ase to tate roving naga youtuber bi tai ekdom koi bad intention na thakigina enga videography korigina enjoy korigina taka oporte upload kuri dishe enga la oporte manu laga suku bi alag ase understanding level bi alag ase perception alag ase to bia side pra saisi gole bia babibo pare bhal side pra saisi gole bhal babibo pare fun way pra saisi gole fun side pra video he sabo to manu laga kwa nishina ami khan laga perception to alag hoi jai pare itu kun gibi blame krole na pare to kuma manu alag side pra lui lishe pare to kwa nishina itu karne khali ekta side kala na saigina ekta side of the coin kala na saigina both side of the coin saigina aru bal review kurigina itu reconsider kuri disi kole to itu beshi ekta thanks ho koina janai di ase to the roving naga laga video wi moi ekdam critical side pra wi sawole man try kuri shide ta ki golti usna koina I was viewing again and again side agisi moi laga side pra maybe inya thaisi maybe tai laga title de lop kiwa hoje shinegi maybe what happened at tuku imong koina ekta generalization ekta thagi jabra tate manu alop kiwa hoshinegi koina atu babana kura konishna moi video laga parte moi koi golti part to pa nai aru tate ki happen hoise ki hoise itu he shoot kuri ase nohala to kubi shoot kura nai to moi bi moi laga side pra to roving naga laga video de man side agise ar tate tai ki golti krishna kogina but I'm so sorry moi tate kubi golti to duro paranai to maybe like ta laga video title bra alop triggered hui jesine ge what happened at tuku imong kogina alop generalization type ten ka tate pra kiwa ekta hushola to he can always review na taki contact kuro parishe bole apni la title change kuri dibe apni la to video part to delete kuri dibe something like that kuri chole to so manu itu to kuri dibola kogina moi to biswas ase to ami to research bi bishi kuri when it comes to law side te hoise gole to itu law laga side te hoise gole to itu vlogging public places te vlogging kora to illegal nohi de it's legal to holibi there are certain points that the content creators should keep in mind to ami this screenshot bi kuri nam nange dikhai ase to law laga side te jaise kulibi the roving naga do tade koi golti nai de the roving naga bi ekta content creator ase ami bi ekta content creator ase kon content creator huwe golti ase kule ami to ke te support nokoro de holi right play to ami support koribo aru genuine side play to support koribo koina do janai di ase lastly ami laga prayer and wish ase the roving naga hobi aru ami kan laga respected organization lota hobo hobi let better understanding prevail kogina ami laga itu prayer ase ejun ke understand korigina ejun ke forgive korigina let's go ahead in the coming days to come aro ami khan ejun sob manu laga manu hi ase ami khan sob at the end kali person holiwe apni para ami ke lagiwo ami para apni ange lagiwo sob manu ekila de buhiwole ase to ami khan sob manu love and peace pra enika settle korigina Nagaland ekta small state te takato bhal bra buhiwo koina apni an sobke janai di ase to ajila video do imani ase etur moi laga personal point of view personal opinion he ase to moi laga side pra if I have said something wrong moi kiwa golti koi dishe kole moi kiwi maaf kori dibi to apni han to video do khushi pashi kole to sob manke share kori dibi till then take care and stay safe